In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to access the Class SeeSaw app. So on your child's iPad, you'll want to locate where SeeSaw is. In this case, it's down here in the dock. Once you open it, you should see your child's name up here in the corner and their name here as well. And it'll show up with one of their classes. To see all of their classes, if you click on their name in the top left-hand corner, all of their classes will show up. The red indicates either activities or messages from that teacher. So in this case, I'm in art. And if I click over to inbox, if she left any messages, that message would show up for you. So this might be what the expectations are for the day of what you need to complete, or other messages that they might be sending to you. Activities are online activities that your teacher will want you to complete. Oftentimes in the inbox or leave a message telling you what you need to complete for that day. If you're wanting to do one of these activities, you would just click on Add Response and you can play the directions and you can read the directions to tell you what to do. The journal piece of SeeSaw is a place that you can add things that you're really proud of. You can click on Add This and your teacher, and if your parents are connected, we'll be able to see what's in your journal. Again, to get to other classes, I just click on the name up here and then I can click on a different class and you would be able to go in and see what activities were posted for that class as well. So you want to make sure that you're checking SeeSaw for your specialists and also if you are receiving special education services or you see an intervention teacher, you're going to want to check SeeSaw daily to see what information they have posted for you. This concludes my tutorial on SeeSaw.